Friends, welcome to my channel Buzzing Bees. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a treasure hunt box sensory bin, and you can teach letters, color sorting, coin sorting, lot of things. And this is all I have used 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 5. You can make 5 games out of this one sensory bin, and not just 5, you can make more of such games, and even your child can create a lot of games by themselves. So I'm going to show you. Stay tuned and watch my video. I'm going to show you everything today what we are going to do. Please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today what we are going to do, this mama has created some treasure hunt box with sensory bin. So we are going to hide this alphabets and you have to find it, okay? Okay, so let's get started.
This one?
Okay, yeah, you have to find some alphabets and you have to find it and you have to put it in this picture card. Yes, find it. What did you find?
A.
A. So where should A go? So, yeah, awesome.
Now which one?
You have to find all the letters which are there in this picture card. You have to find all the letters.
Is this Mexico one?
So what did you? Oh, nice. Okay, so can you read what is this?
Found, P, and bus.
Just want to share that this is made on cardboard. It's very easy to make. I've just written, and from the animal picture I've just pasted it, and I did not have ant picture, so I just drew it, and like that I make some of the cards which you can also make at home. It's very easy and simple. If you don't have a pictures, you can draw, or like I have just fish sticker, so I have put fish sticker. I just made a star so they can find. And the letters, if you don't have wooden letters, you might be having this magnets, which is very easy to get, this fridge magnets, alphabets. So you can use that for playing as well. Even if you don't have a sensory bin, you can still give the cards to child, and that's how they learn also. You can just draw. This is just with black sketch pen. I have done it. These cards I just made. It's very easy to make it. I have used white cardboard. You can use brown, or you can even use a paper if you don't have, or a chart paper will be little thick. Just go for little thick paper. So we can hide these coins and let the kids find. We can also hide a similar thing which looks similar, and it's difficult to find. This is a little challenging because this sensory bin is made of laia, which you find in homes, pasta, macaroni, lobia.
And you can also have music also.
Yeah, so she found her own items to hide. She has this erasers box. She was wanting to hide this and find it for herself, so she made her own game. So this is very easy to make. You can make it whatever items are available at home. You can make it a little colorful, and put it in a bin, so that I have put 2 bins, so if she messes it's just going to fall in this one. So that's why I have 2 plastic boxes. So this is a coin. If you don't have this, you have a coin. Just make sure your child doesn't put in the mouth, otherwise don't give them coins. This is that pani puri which we get, what we fry. This is what I've taken. It's like pani puri. So this also, I'm going to hide it. It's a little challenging because So there is one more thing, it's pom pom, and if there is no pom pom, you can also take colorful cotton balls. You can make a small of this. So this I have put 4 each for all of the colors, and this is egg carton. And egg carton has 6 color: white, red, purple, pink, yellow and green. So this also is very colorful and kids like to do that. And I have put 4 of each, 4 green and all, so that I just mentioned it, so it's not. So there is a tweezer given. If she wants, she can also find it from the tweezer if it's there. Tweezer, and also with her hands, whatever she wants to do. So I'm going to hide this now. Wait, I'm going to hide. Yeah, pom pom. So some pom pom is not hiding and some has, but it's just, look at this. It is really difficult. It gives a lot of visual discrimination and helps the child to really search and use her some of the skills, and she's going to use her fine motor skills also will be developed by this. She has to really see this is a carton box, as you can see, and I have just painted it, and I did not have all the colors, so I had some sketch pen, so I have just colored it.
Let's see. Here comes the rain. The rain is over and our garden is red. So the
Kids really like all this. They like to touch and
Mommy,
they like to
why
play.
I think my Peppa Pig can also do that. Like
Oh, yeah, you can do. You want to bring your Peppa Pig and make them jump? It's okay. You can do whatever you want.
Well, what's here? The big one. Look, Daddy Pig is sitting. They're reading a newspaper.
So like this, kids make their own way to play with this box, and
Yay!
they find their own creative ways to play. This is really amazing. It will
Whoa, Pikachu.
keep your child engaged for hours and hours. Do try this and let me know how was this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm waiting to hear and see your comments. And if you need any help, any of it, you can reach out to me.
Peppa.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.